Brutus' Speech in the Forum by William Shakespeare. Romans, countrymen, lovers, hear me for my cause that you may hear, believe me for my honor that you may believe, censure me in your wisdom and awake your senses that you may the better judge. If there be any assembly, any dear friend of Caesar, to him I say that Brutus' love to Caesar was no less than his. If then that friend demands why Brutus rose against Caesar, this is my answer. Not that I love Caesar less, but that I love Rome more. Had you rather Caesar were living and die for a slave, than that Caesar were dead to live all free men? As Caesar loved me, I weep for him. As he was fortunate, I rejoice at it. As he was valiant, I honor him, but I was ambitious, I slow him. There is my tear for his love, joy for his fortune, honor for his value, and death for his ambition. Who is there so brave that he would not to be a broadman? If any, I speak for him. I have offended. Who is there so rude that you would not to be a Roman? If any, I speak for him. I have offended. Who is her so vile that would not love his country? If any speak for him, I have offended. I pose for reply. None, Brutus, none. Then none have I offended. I have done no more to Caesar than you shall do to Brutus. The question of death is registered in the Capitol.